she felt unwilling to attend school because it was too much of a chore for her. And it took the mother to goad her to eventually take to attending school regularly. And look where she is now. Our next recipient, also coming from the Bono Afo region, is 15 years old. She intends to be a heart surgeon in future. So she's reading science. He's reading science. He's currently at the St. James Seminary Senior High School in Sunyani and attended the Prepra Ajiman Capital School within the Sunyani municipality. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, let's welcome Kwejo Asante Afare Jr. Congratulations. Next, we go for the award recipients from the region that prides itself with being the seat of education in Ghana, the Central Region. Our first recipient is currently reading Home Economics at the Methodist Senior High School, Salt Pond. Incidentally, he comes from the same area as our late President John Evans Atta Mills. She comes from the Kumfi district. Specifically, she attended the Strafa Abuano DA Basic School. Our next recipient is Bridget Yeboah from the Central Region of Ghana. Bridget says she wants to be a nurse. She wants to go back to Kumfi and teach the people to eat healthily and to live healthily. As she said, when she was growing up, most of her mates became pregnant. But she's proud to be here, to be an award recipient. Congratulations, Bridget. The next recipient from the Central Region is currently at Infantipim School, reading general science. He also wants to be a heart surgeon. He attended the University Junior High School in Cape Coast. He's 15 years of age. Your Excellency the President, the next recipient, also from the Central Region, is Franklin Edwin Bartels.
Now to the Eastern Region, we have Benedict Adako, 15 years from the Brim Central Akemoda, Ada AEA Methodist Academy, now St. Louis Senior High School, Kumasi, pursuing general science. In the boys category, we have Ban Danso Elliot, 14 years old from Kwabi Brem District, Aba RC Junior High School, New Tafo, Prempeh College, Senior High School, Kumasi, reading general science.